This is the Nokia 5.3 and this is the iPhone 6. And both of these we'll be versusing together and checking who's better performance after 6 years. The Nokia has a Snapdragon 665 and has 64 GB of storage. And then the iPhone also has 64 GB of storage with the Apple A8 chip. Checking on the performance, the Nokia has a pretty decent amount of performance, more than the iPhone 6. But then, a single core on a Nokia is 305, and on my iPhone 6, it's 192. But on average iPhone 6s, they have 307, which is more than the Nokia. But then, going to the multi-thread, is 1250, that's 1250 on the Nokia, and 372 on the iPhone, which again, if I'm checking on an average iPhone, it's 580 something. Still, compared to the Nokia, very less. But wait, the screens, I've noticed, the iPhone has a yellowish to it, and the Nokia has a bluish screen to it. The Nokia has a 13MP main camera, a 5MP wide, and a 2MP macro camera. The iPhone has an 8MP camera. That's the only camera you got. But the camera, you can see that the iPhone has a clarity, but the Nokia doesn't really have the clarity. But the Nokia has more brightness than the iPhone 6. Why? Because it has night mode enabled features, and the iPhone 6 doesn't really have that. And in the other photo, which is again, the Nokia has a bluish atmosphere to the image, and the iPhone has warmer. I believe the iPhone has a more natural look than the Nokia, but then which do you prefer? Let me know in the comments. So that's all for this video. I guess buying both of the phones or either one of those phones are a bad idea in 2022. You could go for similar price phones which are way better, like Samsung's. Or if you want to try something new, you can go for nothing for one, which I didn't test out yet. You can check out MKBHD's or Mr. The Boss video for that. See you guys next time.